Let's be honest. Who hasn't tried those money apps promising quick riches only to end up with pennies? Yeah, me too. But here's a real one, Givvy. It won't make you a millionaire, but it'll cover that late night snack or your Netflix bill. Givvy lets you earn small rewards by playing games, watching videos, or even running AFK apps while you binge watch. Withdrawals start at just 35 cents, so you don't need to hit the jackpot to cash out. Join through the link below to get awesome benefits right away. Here's how it works. Play games or run AFK apps. Earn Givvy coins, turn them into real cash, with over 20 payout options including PayPal, Gcash, Binance, and crypto like Hedera. Invite friends, and you'll earn 20% of their withdrawals. Some people are making thousands just from referrals. And if you're competitive, there's a daily leaderboard with extra cash for top referrers. I test these apps before sharing them, and Givvy actually pays. People are making real money, even if it's pocket change. It adds up. So Givvy won't buy you a private island, but it'll get you pizza, data packs, or that extra Starbucks drink. Try it out, and let me know how much you made in the comments.